$6 billion penalty in the Reko case. World Health Organization has warned Europe of a very serious surge in COVID-19 cases. No Middle East peace without solving Palestinian problem, says Russia. The United States hope to name Qatar as a major non-NATO ally. Blast targets American English schools in southern Iraq. Pak-China border Punjab path has been reopened for trade. Two Turkish troops killed in an attack in northern Iraq. In Cambodia, 6 people were killed and 4 others injured by a lightning strike.